first thing you want to do is to exfoliate your skin to remove. What I normally do is to wet my face. Before exfoliating. So I'm just going to do that now. So I'm back. I'm back and I've washed my face. So I usually, when I want to use mask, I use warm water to wash my face after exfoliating. Just so I'm just going to dab the whole water out of my face. Done. So dip your brush into the that's slimy. It's slimy, guys. This is very slimy. But it's actually very effective. So egg white face mask is good because it's a blackhead and whitehead remover. It takes out black and white heads from your face, around your nose region, under your chin, and also it helps to tighten your pores. For those people that have wide pores like mine, that has open pores, after this mask you will notice that your pores have gotten tighter. Also, it's good for people with acne prone skin. It helps get rid of acne with time. And for you to see effective results, you can stick to this max for you can do it for twice in a week. This is really slimy. Do this. Funny, right? And plaster it afresh so it sticks and stay put. So this thing is actually really nice. Then I'm just going to cut off the excesses. I actually have hair there, so I'm just going to plaster it until you have gone round. Here you go, do. I want to reduce the paper, so less stress for me. It's actually slimy. But this part is my hair. Oh. I think this is just the best thing to do. We almost done. We almost done. Here, here. My hair won't let that soft. So here also. Ew. Yes. Very important part. Like, very important. Actually. Sketching my lips. I just really want my nose covered because, you know, I have a lot of blackhead there. I was glad I gone. This is too much. This is too much. I am all maxed up. I have to breathe, you know. That shit touching not. So guys, this is all you have to do. Wait for the marks to dry. So guys, this is how I make my marks. This is how I make my mask. And we have to wait for it to dry. We're just going to do it like that. And be back here in some. Yes. See you guys. So we're going to leave it to dry and be back. I am back. I'm back, but I can't say anything. It's so tight right now, and it's dry, really dry, and it's dry, but it's so tight. So you want to take it from this end, like, oh shit, it's so dry, my god. Oh, 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 it's actually very relieving. Oh. Ah, oh shit. So how you take it off this way, like, ah. Ah. So oh my god, it really did, you know. So I want to show you guys, if you can see this region. I'll have to go and wash my face, and I always wash my face with, and after taking off my marks, I wash my face with cool water, not cold, but cool water, like cold water. Let me just say cold water, not cold, like it should be a little bit, you know, cool. I'm back. I went to wash my face with cold water. Helps to also tighten your pores, like close your pores. So I'm just going to dry it out now so you guys can see my skin and see the difference, so you can tell whether or not that one. So I'm just going to moisturize my face, and that brings us to the end of this video. Let me moisturize. So I am just going to moisturize my face to, because that egg dries the skin, like, and it's very good for oily skin. Have an oily skin, I recommend this for you 100%. If you have open pores, like big pores, I recommend this for you 100%. And it's, with time, if you use it, it will help with your acne, and that's just it. I hope you guys enjoyed. So look at my skin. This is how it was before, like in the first video. You can compare and tell the difference already. I just hope you found this video helpful. You can't be watching all of this and you have not subscribed to my channel. And give this video a thumbs up if you found this helpful. It's something you can do, and it should be done like twice in a week. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you guys.